Welcome to our Dashboard Designer video. When creating a dashboard, the KPIs being measured and the information and insights that you're displaying here matters, of course, but you also want to present a state-of-the-art visualization of your insights. Our dashboard editor will give you the capability to design your work with the same freedom you typically associate with Photoshop or PowerPoint, but with advanced features that will enable you to analyze your data as business questions arise. Let's open the Edit mode to start our Dashboard Designer, which you can see on the right side of the screen. Once in Edit mode, you can move every widget completely freely. At Datapine, we do not force you to have your KPIs adhered to any grids, and you can resize anything to be as big or as small as you would like. In case you want to edit a specific chart on your dashboard, just click on it, and then you can make the change on the right side of the interface. There you can adjust anything related to the chart area, such as the title, legend, shape or shadow, as well as titles, labels and formats for the axes. If you would like to modify the entire global dashboard, instead of individual widgets one at a time, you can click on Appearance, and then Global Style. Here you can either type your custom color index settings or you can select one of the ready-made templates to change the look and feel in just a click. Using the toolbar up at the top, you can add text boxes for headlines, descriptions, and explanations. I will do one now as an example. I will type customers by region, and now I have a title for this chart that was missing one. Lastly, I will change the background color so that it matches our dashboard's design. You can also add images, like logos, or screenshots of important information. We also have a library of icons that you can choose from to make the dashboard more visually appealing. Last but not least, you might also want to check out the Mobile Mode Designer, which again you can design separately from your main dashboard.